Hey, welcome back to the shop. So with the price of wood, as it is, projects, as you can imagine, are kind of on the slowdown in our shop. This cabinet that I was building for my all my electrical stuff is on hold because I don't want to spend $54 a sheet for 2 sheets of half-inch plywood to make the drawers. So until prices come down, and you know this is not sustainable. These prices have to come down at some point. So this is a video I shot a long time ago, about 2 or 3 years ago, when we decided to lay down new laminate flooring in the lower floor of the house, living room and front room. This is only laying down half of the living room. This is all the video is. It's time-lapse. Got some music in the background. If you look at this picture, you can see the old flooring on the left and the new flooring on the right, and the old flooring is kind of checked and ugly, and we put that down like 20 years ago. So I'm putting down the latest generation of vinyl flooring, which is not your daddy's vinyl flooring. This is amazing stuff. It goes down real easy, it's click and lock, and it's waterproof. You know, when you spill your coffee watching TV or something, whatever. So it's a quick little video. Just have a look, fun to watch, and I'll be doing some project videos, small project videos, maybe a couple of how-tos in the interim while I'm waiting for lumber prices to come down, so I can then go on with the re-layout and redesign of the shop and finish up that cabinet that I want for my electrical stuff. Anyhow, take a look, enjoy, and until next time, make great things out of wood if you can afford to make great things out of wood.
this.